Do you see this? Do you have this? No, you don't. You are inferior to me. Anyway, so yeah, hi guys, this arrived today, and I just thought it would make a good video because I need views and my channel is dying. Anyways, so, yeah, I got this for €14.95. It is actually pretty nice. Just looking at the box, I had to get rid of some of the details with, you know, a very handy permanent marker, that one that just, fuck. And so, yeah, let's unbox this. So, it's got some packaging around it, and, ooh, that's a big dent in the cardboard. Oh, you can actually hear it moving around. Do you hear that? Jesus. Well, let's just have a look at what is inside of the... Why can't I open this? Okay, so let's have a quick look. And oh, okay. Okay, so this is the Baliyo. Goodbye packaging. So yeah, this is the Baliyo. Actually looks pretty nice. This is my first time ever seeing it, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Ooh, if I can focus on that, that is a pretty big scratch mark down there. Yeah. So this looks pretty cool. Yeah, don't talk about that. I'm not really good at flipping. So yeah, it's got the counterbalance weight thing so that it like flips a bit better. That's very nice. Then it's got this metal ring, which I do know. Oh, okay, so that's how you open it. Very cool. And it actually is very smooth in the way that it moves around. It is about, in length, it's about, if I can zoom into that, that's around 19 centimeters. I'll put on the screen right now what that would be in inches, because I don't know. Because, well, fuck you, USA. So, yeah, this is actually a pretty nice pen. Not gonna lie. Let's have a look at how it writes. Also, yeah, this is true. Go click that subscribe button and comment, the very funny word, these nuts. Ha, 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 ha. Why do I have to stop? Anyways, so yeah, let's have a quick look at how well this thing writes. So I'm going to quickly bring down the camera down here. Get it to focus. Please, that'd be very kind of you if you could just... Okay. Okay, so you can actually really well see there how well that's kind of been ground up and everything. Let's write something really funny with this and see how good it writes. So it's very uncomfortable to hold. Let's oh, I can't really write well with this. Hey, laugh now, please. My channel's dying. I need subscribers. Okay, so yeah, anyways, that's a very... It's actually really well written. You can really write well with this. Like, let's just write something else, like... Okay, good. Yes, very funny comment. Okay, so, yeah, it's kind of uncomfortable to hold, but it makes up with its pretty good flipping power. Wait, let me just quickly see if I can do a few tricks with this. Okay, so here we are, and let's have a quick look. So, okay, so, basic opening, very easy. Let's try a... Okay, you can't do any, like, really high-quality tricks with this, but then again, this is like a pen that you take to school. And, so, yeah, as a final review, I would give it a out of 10. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment D's nuts if you want to win a very cool Benchmade 42 Balisong, which I am putting on screen right now. It's $500. Please stop taking my money. I'm going to go poor. I don't get paid enough for monetization. Anyways, bye.